Just over 1 month ago I was broke, now I'm rich, all because I started launching my own meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm gonna show you exactly how I made it all happen. Now obviously, I used to trade meme coins every single day to make money just like you, but it just didn't work out for me because every single time I tried to buy inside a coin, it just got rug pulled. For example, this coin. A couple minutes ago, it just got rug pulled. Now, the truth that no one is gonna tell you is that the person who made the most amount of money off this coin right here is actually the guy who created the coin. Because all he did was he launched the coin, he waited for buyers to buy inside his own coin, and when the market cap is high enough, he simply just removed the liquidity, and as you can see, he profited a shit ton of money. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is my exact strategy to making thousands of dollars every single day. Why? Because it's fully repeatable and you have nothing to lose. You can just create coins, dump it, rinse and repeat until you're rich and satisfied. But the point of today's video is that I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to launch your own coin and make some money, and I will be fully transparent throughout the whole process, so make sure you keep watching. Obviously this is for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Cap, you can. But anyways, to create your first meme coin, I would highly advise you to use create tokens.Fun, because it's the only website on YouTube that actually works and that allows you to create your own coins with no coding required on the Radium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun because Pump.Fun is too saturated. And also, if you launch coins on Pump.Fun, you need to get a $90,000 market cap for it to migrate on the Radium DEX, but by going through create tokens.Fun directly, you're skipping that migration time and you're reaching way more eyeballs, so way more money to be made. Now, to make your first meme coin, you have two different options. The first option is to make it from scratch, so essentially you would make a whole new meme coin on the blockchain. Now, it's really easy. You can follow these simple steps right here, but basically you just put the token name, token symbol, token image, and then you proceed and you create a coin, and then it will be listed here and it's going to be tradable. Right now, the second option is actually my favorite one because I'm actually abusing this method to make a shit ton of money, and it's actually by copying coins that are already working. So essentially you're stealing narratives, making a coin out of it, and then dumping it. And believe me bro, thousands of people are printing money off this method because it's actually too easy. All these coins are all pumping and trending on Pump.Fun, so they're proven to get you some buyers and they're all good narratives. But I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna head straight to the money. So first of all, connect your wallet, boom, Phantom obviously, then go inside of it. After that, connect, and boom, as you can see it's connected, it's all legit. And now it's time to copy a coin. Now I'm just gonna do the fart party coin right here. It's kind of funny and it has a last buy 4 minutes ago, which means that the coin is alive. So create coin, and then okay, a warning will pop up. Every single person is gonna get this warning. It's completely normal, just proceed anyway, confirm, sign, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Boom. Now click on oh no, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, if I go on view on source scan, you can see that the coin is created and it's all legit, so the website actually works. Now copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so here's like your coin, token B right here. Just click your Solana balance. Right now I'm starting with 1 SOL, and we're gonna see how much I make after I launch the coin. Amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, and you will be keeping 10% in your wallet. And the amount token B is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now, you're not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your own coin. So once you remove the liquidity, this money will come back inside your wallet alongside all the profits. Okay, I would put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL, so I'm gonna put 0.5 Solana as a initial buy, and then we should be ready to create the pool. Create pool. Your phantom will pop up. Just click on confirm and then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 40 bucks in profit, which is really good for the beginning. Now click on view on Photon, and now your coin is live. Well, my coin, right? Let me go on a lower time frame. Oh my god, it's pumping live on camera. Let's go. Pump, pump, pump. $44 buy. We just got a $44 buy. Oh my god. This coin is actually gonna explode. Oh my god. The coin is pumping so much. Not bad. It pumped and it dipped. Okay, if it pumps up super high, I am gonna dump the coin and profit a shit ton of money. Come on! Pump! Oh, okay, not bad. Oh! Oh my god! You! No, what just happened, bro? Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to create token.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on! Confirm! And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins, bro. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1, $575 is inside my wallet, bro. I made $500 off this one meme coin launch. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to win one soul like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And now bye.